That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What ended up happening with this?
Well, the governor said no. But
Governor said no.
Yes, and there was a ruling in our court, and they said that due to the privileges and immunities, they were entitled to it, and they should be given it.
Okay, why? What was the part of privileges and immunities, the reason that they had to have this? They were allowed to get this.
The right
Because of the right to travel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Governor said no. Governor said, you're coming into my state, you haven't paid into this, you have no rights. The Supreme Court took a look at this and said, yes, you do have the right. And the right is under the privileges and immunities, because if you tell them they can't come up there and get benefits, you're denying them the right to travel. You gave me the last correct answer for Walkie's group. Pick me a category. Yes. Gotta go.
Equal rights, 3 points.
Which one?
3 points.
Equal rights? List all you can. Firefighters. Next hand I see gets it, but you guys have it first. You'll have it. Firefighters.
This was where the firefighters took a test. I think it was 28 of them took the test to become a firefighter.
128 minus 3.
No,
1, 2. Talk to me, Josh.
This is the article with Frank Ritchie. He took the.
Who was Frank Ritchie? Yes.
He was trying to become a firefighter. He took the test that for most firefighters in New Haven, Connecticut.
Right.
And what happened was all the black people failed the test.
Okay, there was a test for firefighter qualifications. You're now in the positive. Frank Ritchie was attempting to take it. 1, 2, 3. And indeed, all of the black takers failed the test.
Yes.
Okay, now take it from there.
So instead of New Haven, they got scared and they thought they were going to get sued because all the black people failed the test.
Failed the test.
They decided to cancel out all of the test scores.
And do what?
And just throw them out.
So they decided to throw them out, and then how are they going to determine who was going to be a firefighter?
They decided that nobody was going to pass the test. Basically.
Okay, we throw this one out, and we're going to give another test. 1, 2, 3. What did Frank Ritchie do in reference to this?
He sued because.
Why did he sue?
Because he quit his second job. He put he spent a lot of money on to take this test. He's also dyslexic.
Dyslexic. So Frank Ritchie made a significant 1, 2, 3 personal sacrifice to take this test, and when he took it, what did he do?
He got the 6th highest score.
He got the 6th highest score, but when they threw out the test, what happened?
That means that that means he didn't get promoted.
That means that he did not have a chance for the job. So he was suing because he was.
Because he didn't get the job.
Well, is there another more legal term for what he thought was happening to him?
Oh,
he thought he was being discriminated against by the city. What else can you tell me in reference to this?
This case is still in the. It's on its way to the Supreme Court right now.
It's on its way to the Supreme Court now. Anything else? Anybody in the group? Anything else? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gerard, I believe it was you.
It was
Quiet down, a little bit louder, Gerard.
the judge who decided to throw out the test was Obama's a nominee for the Supreme Court right now.
Okay, the justice that actually heard the court in the case in lower court 1, 2, 3 and ruled in the majority is the nomination of Obama, or the nomination by Obama for the opening on the Supreme Court. Anything else?
Want that play reviewed?
Anything else? Go ahead, you guys have it. Anything else you want to say?
Well, during her confirmation hearing, they want to ask her about why she ruled in this way.
You know, that's true. I'll give you that one. 1, 2, 3. But you're still in last place. But you did give me the last correct answer. So, pick me a category. Tamaris' group. 4 Pictionary still up there.
All right, federalism for 2 points.
Federalism for 2. List all you can. Tax and spend power. Y'all have it first. Next hand I see. It will be Milwaukee's group, but you've got it now. Tax and spend power. What is it? And give me an example. 5. Go ahead, Tamaris. You have it. What about the drinking age?
That drinking age that that you have to be 21 to buy alcohol and 16 to drive in certain states.
You started coming 5.
21 to buy alcohol within the whole country.
Okay, so there is a 21-year-old drinking age throughout the entire country. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Minus 2. Minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're down to 14 now. Milwaukee, your group has it. Tax and spend power.
Yes, what the federal said, in order to for them to give a 5% to the state
Okay.
for their roads and transport and all
If
that.
they did what?
If they, they increase the age rate from 18 to 21 years,
Okay,
they will give
the
them.
federal government said, if you, the states, will raise your drinking age to 21, we, the federal government, will not only give you your regular highway money, but will give you 5% extra. What did some of the states say to this?
They said they should go to hell with it, and I think the ones that didn't take it. Well, there's ones that didn't take it.
Okay, they said basically to go to hell with this because you're doing what to us by bribing? You're effectively bribing us.
Yeah.
What did the federal government say? Why did they say they could use the tax and spend power to do this?
Because
5.
They have the power.
4.
But you still don't manage.
3. Well, we're still dealing with the tax and spend power.